name is Kean Kok. I'm a full-time architect by profession. My dish is called sweet potato Abacus seed Aglio Olio.
What elements are different from the traditional Abacus seeds, and obviously what was the inspiration for this?
I'm actually Hakka, so my mom used to cook this for me when I was a child.
Right.
I wanted to create a dish that is nostalgic and give it a twist, and I thought Italian would be very good. First thing was I wanted to change yam for sweet potato and maybe use two colors because I thought the colors would be quite interesting.
Right.
Also, sweet potato as a starch is actually better for us.
Right, of course, healthier, it's a resistant starch.
For me, I'm pescatarian and I don't eat meat. I wanted to think of a sauce that was simple as well and fast, so I thought Aglio Olio would be the perfect combination for the Abacus seed. Actually, I put in the Hae Bee for a more umami taste. You don't actually need meat to make a dish flavorful.
You have all these beautiful flavors melding together, and obviously with the textural contrast and of course the beautiful colors. I mean, it looks amazing. We've changed the dish a little bit with one simple ingredient. Maybe you want to elaborate a little bit more.
I'm quite happy about the addition of the chopped cashew nuts. The crunch of the cashew nuts really gave another dimension to the entire dish.
So this is another thing about cooking, right? A lot of times we always think about flavors, but we don't think about textural contrast as well.
I'm very happy to take part in this year's Finest Festival contest because never in my wildest dream would I think that I would actually have a chance to win.
So this proves that anyone can create, that you can make delicious gourmet food at home. See you next year!